Ms. Tan runs a company, and Mr. Torre works for the Ministry of Education. Ms. Tan cannot find qualified workers. Vocational education does not match with labour market needs. Mr. Torre would like to see private companies get more involved in vocational education and training. Actually, they can help each other. The VET Toolbox provides support. Our services are technical assistance, advice, training. We combine expertise from 4 European leading agencies: British Council, Enabel, GIZ and LuxDev. We offer quick fixes by sending experts on short-term assignments for up to 5 weeks. We focus on VET system and labour market analysis, private sector collaboration, and inclusion of vulnerable groups in vocational education and training. Would you like to get the VET Toolbox support? Visit vettoolbox.eu and read the guidelines. First, identify your needs. Second, check if you are eligible. If yes, fill in the request form. Fill in the request form on vettoolbox.eu/getexpertise. It's only 4 pages, a lot of tick boxes, and no more than 250 words to write. You can also send us the PDF form through info@vettoolbox.eu. Has your request been sent? Great! We will contact you to understand exactly what your needs are, so we can mobilize the right expertise. Looking forward to working together. The VET Toolbox. Relevant skills for all.